one in 3, 2, 1, go!
That begins the autonomous period for qualification match number 1 here at the Wisconsin Regional. All 6 robots off that starting line. Looks like 3 coral already scored on that level 4 for the Blue Alliance. 1 coral up in that, or down in that level 1 trough. Another level 4 coral coming in from state line. On the Red Alliance side, does look like while all 3 robots made it off that starting line, does not look like a coral was successfully scored for that bonus ranking point. Now that Teleup has begun, drivers in control of their robots for the remainder of the match. State line gonna grab a piece of algae off that reef. Badgerbots dropping a piece of coral into that level 1 trough. Red Alliance, UPS delivering a piece of coral to that level 3 branch. Gonna head over to their human player, grab another piece, and try to line themselves back up with that reef. Laser Robotics driving across the field, unfortunately getting a piece of algae under their robot. Luckily for them, they're able to maintain all 4 wheels on the ground. Charger Robotics lining up with that reef, getting a piece of algae off. Their teammates Badgerbots getting a piece of coral onto that level 2 branch. Charger gonna line up with another piece of coral. Just a minute and 10 seconds remaining. Teams continuing to go back and forth from their human player station to that reef. Milwaukee City RC coming from that human player station a little quick, almost tripping themselves over. Luckily for them, able to keeping themselves on the ground. Laser Robotics, another piece of algae underneath that robot. Thankfully for them, continuing to stay on their wheels. Charger adding another piece of coral to that level 4. Their teammate State Line doing so as well as Badgerbots. 3 more pieces up on that level 4. State Line gonna line up with another piece of coral, getting a level 2 successfully placed. Blue Alliance, 3 of the necessary 4 reef levels complete for that bonus ranking point. Charger gonna add on another coral to that level 4. Just 23 seconds now remaining. Badgerbot's gonna line up, gonna try to get another piece of coral on. Drivers having a hard time seeing those back branches from their driver stations. Luckily for them, able to get that piece of coral on. 10 seconds remaining as we had heard the sonar go off. UPS gonna try and line up. State Line lining up. Charger going up for blue. 1 red robot up as time runs out. Match of the day are in. We have a Blue Alliance win. 188 to 73. Blue Alliance walking away with all 6 ranking points right away here in our first qualification match.